How to unsend invite message on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the top left corner, you will find this messenger icon. Click on it. With that, you will land to the chat section. Now head towards the conversation where you have sent the invite message. Just open it. Invitation sent. You can send more messages after your invitation has been accepted. Long press on this message. You will get different kind of options. Delete for you, forward, copy, but you won't find the option of unsend. So what you can do is click on the username, click on options, click on block, click on block. Once you block this user, hit back, click on delete, permanently delete chat, click on delete. Now head towards your profile page. At the top right corner, you will find 3 bars, click on it. Scroll down, find the option of blocked, open it. Now click on the username of the person that you have just blocked, open it, click on unblock. Now click on message. With that, invite message on Instagram will be unsent. So this is how you can unsend invite message on Instagram. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.